Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys auto brightness mode setting in our Infinix phone guys. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you turn off your auto brightness in your Infinix phone guys. You want to off your auto brightness setting in your Infinix phone, so when you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off auto brightness in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then we will on our phone setting to off guys auto brightness mode setting. After on phone setting guys, you will have to scroll, and guys you can see this type of setting friends. You can see your display and brightness setting guys. Click here. Friends, you can see guys your active brightness guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see this icon guys. You will have to click on this icon. Guys, your auto brightness mode will off in your Infinix phone. Then guys you can use your brightness setting according to yourself guys. You want to increase, you want to decrease, you can increase and decrease from here guys. So like that guys, you can off your auto brightness mode setting in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.